In this video, we're going to show how to replace the battery. So this is a Sharp A102. To replace the battery, you should open the printer cover. And if you have the paper installed, take the paper out. And firstly, take the paper out of a printer and take the paper roll out. And the battery cover is just behind here. So if you push this clip, and the cover will be lifted off, and take all the battery out, and then put new battery in. Observe the which side is positive, which side is negative. It is easy to see. You won't make anything wrong. So replace the cover, install the paper, and put the printer cover back. So that's how you can replace the battery. So when do you need to replace the battery? So normally on the display, you're going to have a L displayed indicating low battery. If you can see that, you should replace the battery within 2 days.